So we were having some issues in the recording. So let me start from scratch. So first of all, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Sushant Sharma. I'm having a two CCI collaboration and CCI data center. So I'm having a more than 7 year experience in collaboration portfolio. Before I was working as a trainer. Now I'm working as a solution architect. So mainly my job role is to design a collaboration solutions for a big enterprises. So in this topic, the today lecture is mainly we'll talk about the collaboration portfolio, what all the courses in the collaboration, and how engineers can get a job in collaboration, what will be the benefits for implementing a good collaboration solution in your infrastructure. So here this is the agenda for today's session, Cisco collaboration courses path. I'll introduce and explain what all courses is available in collaboration portfolio, and what will be the architecture for Cisco collaboration, and why I am highlighting Cisco, because Cisco is the main leader in a collaboration right now. So another is Cisco collaboration components. So I'm not going to cover everything in this session. Later we will have a different courses for this collaboration path, so we can go through with that in the next sessions. So first you have to give attention on this part here. Why I am saying attention, because we have to understand what is the benefit of a collaboration. So for many companies today, they want to improve their business performance. So as I said, for example, any just take example of any big company. If they are having offices in all over the globe, and they want to take a decision on a fast basis, so that is not possible because they have to travel. But now we have a collaboration. So collaboration, what we can do, we can implement a video conferencing solution on that company, and they can do face-to-face meeting on every day basis. So the most of the companies, they want to implement a solution because they want to decrease their cost. Okay, so traveling cost will be decreased, time consuming, so many beneficial factor is there if we are doing a collaboration in our infrastructure. So why I am highlighting Cisco, because Cisco is a unique position to offer the product that solve these business collaboration challenges. So you have to read this line carefully. After that you will understand what will be the benefit for a Cisco collaboration if we are implementing in our infrastructure. So in Cisco collaboration courses, we are having a three courses in collaboration. So there will be no prerequisite for Cisco Certified Network Associate collaboration course. So Cisco Certified Network Associate is the first level of the course. So if anyone want to do this, they can do. We don't need any degree for this. You should know about computer. Okay, you should have a basic knowledge of computer. But if you want to go directly for a certification, if you want to take a certification, you have to go for CCNA. So CCNA is a first level of course that is called CCNA routing and switching. One second. So CCNA routing and switching. Just give me a second, please. Yes, I'm back. So the first level of the course is CCNA, Certified Network Associate. So if someone want to go to the Cisco collaboration, CCNA collaboration, they have to do first CCNA routing and switching. So CCNA routing switching is mainly talk about how to do the routers configuration, switches configuration, basic IP addressing and all. CCNA, after CCNA collaboration, if someone want to go to the professional level, then we will have a Cisco Certified Network Professional Collaboration course. So in professional collaboration, we are having a 4 modules. So each module is having a expertise. That component we will talk about in our next slides. And the last level of the course is Cisco Certified Internet Network Expert, CCI collaboration. So CCI collaboration is a very good course right now. If you are going to pass a CCI collaboration, you can easily get a good job in the market. For CCI collaboration, there will be 8-hour lab exam, but that actually not for the fresher. So once you have finished the CCNA and CCNP collaboration, then you should have minimum 2 to 3 year experience in a real life. Okay, after that, once you have a real industry experience, then you can go for the Cisco Certified Internet Network Expert collaboration exam. So these are the job roles. Once you have entered in the collaboration portfolio, okay, just to take example, if you are passing a CCNA collaboration, IT expert training is providing CCNA collaboration exam course in 45 days. After 45 days, if you want to start your career, you can directly go to the market and you can easily get a network video administrator या operator job, network video engineer, voice unified communication, collaboration communication engineer, collaboration sales or system engineer. So these are the jobs available in the market. So if you want to make your career in collaboration, you just has to go for 45 days course. This is a scratch, this is a start of the course. So after this, you can start your career in collaboration portfolio. So we will talk about other part also. So this is a collaboration architecture. So if you see here right now, we are having a different components. So I will go through with each and every component. First, we have to understand what is collaboration. So in collaboration, mainly we are implementing a voice communication, like we are using a WhatsApp. So over WhatsApp, you can call from one place to another place. So you don't have to pay any charges. You are just using a internet and calling. So same thing we are implementing here. For example, we are having an office in a different countries. Just take example, I am having an office in USA and one office in Dubai, one office in Qatar. So if we are implementing a Cisco collaboration solution between these sites, we can easily call. So in real life, in real infrastructure, in the companies, we are not using a WhatsApp for the official calls and all. But if we are implementing a collaboration solution, we can register our phone in USA site, in Dubai site, as well as in Qatar site. So we will have three offices. Three offices can connect over the internet, MPLS WAN. So after that, what we will get? We will get a call communication from one side to another side. So here we are having a one component. That component is called a unified communication. So this unified communication manager is the main component of collaboration. So this unified communication manager will allow you to register the IP phone. So if we are having a phones in one site and we want to register those phones, so this is a component, Cisco Unified Communication Manager. He is responsible for registration of IP phones. So once phone is registered in this site, okay, I am having a one phone in this site. Just take example, the phone I am giving a directory number on this site 1001. So another site we are having a different site. These are our remote site. Just take example, this is a Dubai site, this is a Qatar site. In Qatar site, we are registering a phone is 2001. So if someone want to talk from USA to Qatar, they don't have to dial any international calling. They directly can dial from here 2001, and through the MPS when the call will connect to the Qatar site. Same thing, if you have multiple sites, you can register the phones and these phones can talk to each other over the MPLS WAN. So this is a one benefit for the companies. They don't have to pay extra charges. They will have immediately communication between each and every site. So this is the main component, Unified Communication Manager. Second component is IM presence. IM presence, the name is indicating IM presence. So for example, if someone is working in one site and he is having a meeting, he's already having a meeting and you want to call him. So before calling, you will get his status. The user is already busy, he might be in meeting. If he is available, you will get a green indicator. So this device, Cisco Unified IM and Presence, is responsible for a presence connectivity. He will show you the presence. He will give you the indication the user is available, yeah, he is away from his desk. Okay, so all these things we can get from IM and Presence. And as I mentioned, Unified Communication Manager is allowing you to register the IP phone. You can register the IP phone, you can register the software clients also. For example, in your mobile, your desk phone extension is 1001, and now you are moving from office and you don't want to miss any call from your extension. We are having a software client also, that is called a Cisco Jabber. So Cisco Jabber also will have same extension. If someone is calling on your desk, you will get call on your Cisco Jabber soft client also. So you are not going to miss any call. So that's why we are calling it collaboration anywhere. In your mobile, collaboration will be there. The same client you can install on your desktop also. So wherever you are moving, your extension number is moving with you. So this functionality is providing by Unified Communication Manager, and for presence connectivity, IM and Presence. So this is the main role of these two components. That's why we call it a call control components. Second component is unity connections. So unity is only providing a voice messaging. So for example, you are not able to pick a call on your physical IP phone, you are not able to pick a call on your soft phone, might be you are going to miss a call, but for that we are having a solution called a voicemail. So if you are missing a call, people can send you voicemail also. So for voicemail we need to implement a unity connection. So from unity connection we are getting a voice messaging solution also. So no, you are not going to miss any call in your infrastructure. So this unified communication manager, we will teach you in our next courses how to configure a unified communication manager, how to register the phone into unified communication manager, and we will going to teach you IM and presence also, how to configure IM and presence, how to install this IM and presence in your infrastructure, and we will teach you a unity connection also. All this component is a virtual component. So what we can do, we will have our VMware infrastructure. On the top of the VMware infrastructure we can easily add this type of system, and then after that we can configure and install as per the requirement. So another component is for the conferencing. So right now we have just discussed about the calls, okay, the voice calls. So for voice call, unified communication manager, I mean presence is for the presence connectivity, voicemail for the unity. So now if people want to have a conferencing, they want to invite multiple people into same conference. So just take example, we are having different offices, and after that from different offices we want people to join to one conference where all people can meet. So what we can do, we can create a one conference number, we can give that conference number to different people on a globe. You can this conferencing part, what we can do, it's not even only for our companies. For example, third party, just take example, we have a Cisco, we have another company VMware. If we want to invite someone from the VMware, we will share a conference ID with him, he will join into the conference. So multiple people can talk to each other in the same conference. So this functionality is providing by Cisco meeting server. So in our lectures we will teach you how to configure Cisco meeting server, how to schedule a meetings for Cisco meeting server. That also will be included in our courses. So another is the telepresence management suite. So if we are having multiple components, just take example, we are having a 10 video conference endpoints, we are having a call manager, we are having 1,000 phones. So if you want to manage everything, for that we are having a telepresence management suite. So this is coming under the conference, and through telepresence management suite, what you can do, you can schedule a meetings also. If you want to schedule a meeting, once you schedule a meeting, you will get a meeting number. So that also done by management suite. So this management suite we can integrate with our Exchange and Outlook also. So once we integrate this with our Exchange, then user easily can able to schedule a meeting from Exchange also. So that is provided by the conference. So in our lectures we will teach you conferencing part also. In conferencing we will include Cisco meeting server and telepresence management suite. So conferencing is also done. So now we are having this Cisco Prime. Cisco Prime is mainly for the provisioning, license management, and collaboration deployment. So collaboration deployment mainly we are using when we want to upgrade our system. Just take example, you are already having a call manager, but call manager is a not in the updated software. You want to migrate your call manager from one hardware to another hardware. Yeah, you want to migrate your call manager, yeah, upgrade your call manager from version 10.x to 12.x. So that time we will use a collaboration deployment tool. This is also one type of VM. Through this we can easily upgrade or migrate our unified communication infrastructure. So license manager is responsible for the licensing, whatever component we will install in our infrastructure, that licensing will be hosted on Cisco Prime License Manager. Provisioning is a very important tool. What we get from the provisioning, just take example, you are having a 1,000 phone. So you want to register 1,000 phone to your infrastructure, you want to give a name, directory number, every people have a unique number, every people have a unique settings, every guy have a unique name. So all these things you can provision from here also. So you don't have to do much administrator work. If you are having a collaboration provisioning virtual machine in your infrastructure, what you can do, you can easily provision any number of user from this collaboration provisioning virtual machine. So we have done about IAM and presence. We have done about unified communication manager. I'm repeating again. Unified communication manager is responsible for registering a IP phone, registering a video endpoint. So once endpoint and video endpoints and IP phone is registered, then we can easily call between each other. IAM and presence is responsible for IMP, means it will show you the presence of the user, if user is available or not available. Voice messaging will provide you voicemail capability. Cisco meeting server will provide you video conferencing infrastructure. If more people want to join into a same meeting, so we need to implement Cisco meeting server. Telepresence management suite will provide you the management of all the devices. Collaboration deployment will provide you the upgrade and migration technology, and license manager will provide you the license hosting of all the server. Collaboration provisioning will provide you the provisioning for multiple user. If you are having a more user, 200 300 user in a single shot, so you can use a collaboration provisioning tool for this thing. Now let's talk about Expressway E. Expressway E just a VM. What Expressway E will do, as we mentioned, okay, just take example, we are having a video endpoint in our this site, okay. The another site is here, okay, this is in another remote site, and this is a third party company. Third party company, just take example, we are a ABC company, okay. So in ABC want to call to XYZ. XYZ, just take this is a VMware, this is a Cisco. So if you want to call from Cisco to VMware, so what we need this Expressway E solution. Through Expressway solution we will come to the internet. Through internet we can easily dial to this company. So the people is sitting on this side, they can easily communicate to another remote sites. Whoever company is having this type of infrastructure, they can easily able to communicate with us through this Expressway E solution. And this is our voice gateway. So voice gateway is mainly providing you the voice communication to the PSTN network, public switch telephone network. So I'll just give you example. Right now I am having a one phone registered to this call manager, and this extension number is 1001. So now this 1001 want to call to my mobile phone. So right now you can see we don't have done any integration to call to our mobile phone. But if we are having this voice gateway and PSTN is a public switch telephone network. So if we talk about Dubai, we are having a Etisalat in Dubai, Do is there in Dubai, the PSTN service provider. If we talk about Qatar, we are having Orido. If you talk about India, we are having a different service provider. Airtel is there, BSNL is there. If we talk about USA, we are having AT&T. So these are the different service providers. So if we are allowing, if we are having a PSTN connectivity, and I'm in Qatar right now, my cell phone number is +97466 like that. So if someone want to call me from this extension, he will dial my mobile phone number. The call will come to call manager. Call manager will send to voice gateway. If is able to receive a call on our mobile phone also. So we are having a each type of integration here. We are having a communication between 1001 to our remote site also. We are having a communication through voice gateway to PST network also. So this is our collaboration architecture. Let's go to another slides, and then it will be more clear what we are having. So this is a Cisco meeting server. As I mentioned, as I explain each and every component, so in the conferencing part, if we are implementing Cisco meeting server, this is a one solution, this is a one virtual machine. If we are implementing the Cisco meeting server, what all feature we will get? So if we are having a Cisco meeting server, we will get video conferencing. Video conferencing means you can dial a video call from your mobile phone, your tablets, your video endpoints, Cisco video endpoints, and we will have apps also. If you check the iOS store, you will be able to find a Cisco meeting app. That Cisco meeting app will be responsible for communicating video calls, audio calls, and you can able to share the screen. So all this option is available here. Interoperability. Right now, as I mentioned, you can download the app, Cisco Meeting app. So from Cisco Meeting app, you want to dial a Skype for business. Yeah, you want to dial any another party. So that also is possible because we have interoperability supported in this. Audio conferencing. Audio conferencing is mainly if you want to add multiple people in the same call, not video. Video conferencing is also supported, but audio conferencing also supported. You can add as much as you want based on your server capability. You can easily add multiple participant on that call. Spaces is a virtual space. Like you want to have your own virtual meeting room, so you are already sitting in virtual meeting room, you want to invite your colleague, yeah, you want to invite your customer, yeah, any third party company on that space, so that space address you can share with the participant and they can easily join into your virtual meeting room also. Recording and streaming also we can do. Whatever meeting is happening for that meeting, if you want to record and if you want to stream for other people who is not having these type of resources, that also is possible if you are implementing Cisco meeting server solution. Customization, okay, you can use own logo on that meeting, so that customization also possible in Cisco meeting server. Web conferencing, for the example, when we talk about the video conferencing, in video conferencing we need a video endpoint to join into that conference. So just take example, if we don't have that video endpoint to join into that conference, if we don't have a Cisco meeting app, we are having just a laptop, so what we can do through a browser is called a WebRTC. Through browser we can jump into the meeting, so we don't need any type of software, we don't need any type of video endpoint. If we are having normal laptop, we will get a video link address. That address we will put in our browser. That browser can be Chrome, Mozilla, so these type of browser is supported. Safari is also supported, so we can easily jump into the meeting through that link. So web conferencing also supported. So at the end you can see, whoever want to join into the meeting from anywhere, he can join into the meeting. We are having all type of options. So here just for technical things, I have already explained also. So as I was telling, okay, if we have a remote endpoint, just take example, we are having a Cisco Jabber. Cisco Jabber is a software client, as I explained earlier. So this Cisco Jabber will be registered from the call manager. So if you want to call outside, this is internet. Okay, in internet any participant can be there. So okay, Jabber can be in your home. You are in home and someone from a company want to talk to you. So through Expressway C, and this is the firewall, so it's not able to handle by us. This is handled by security team. We just have to tell them what all services they need to enable for us, and after that we can start calling from one place to another place. So this is just a architecture diagram to understand about collaboration portfolio, how we are dialing from one side to another side. And this is the one very important thing now, what we can achieve if you are having IP phone in your home. Okay, so just take example, this in my home, so I want to register this phone also from my infrastructure. So as I explained earlier, Cisco Unified Call Manager is responsible for registering IP phone, but this is our internal network. He can register anything. Okay, whatever device we are having, it can be registered to UCM. But just take example, you are traveling to somewhere, yeah, you are in your home and you will have a meeting. Just take example, you are in head office, now you are moving for your meeting to USA from Dubai. Okay, you are in Dubai, you are moving to USA, and USA you don't have a connectivity to Dubai office, but you are having an internet in USA. So what you can do, these all video endpoints, these all phones you can carry with you. Okay, and this video endpoint can be registered over the internet to your internal call manager. So just take example, I'm having here one extension 700. Okay, and I want to call you on 701. So what you can do, this 701 will register to our call manager over the internet, and from this 700 to 701 you can easily able to dial. So this is a very good feature. Wherever you are traveling in the world, a video endpoint, IP phone, software client, everything will travel with you. You can join a meeting from anywhere. One second. So these are the video endpoints. In collaboration, we are having different types of video endpoints. So if we are going to build our conference rooms, for conference room, we are having IX5000. So this is a very good solution from Cisco. You will get three video screens, six chairs, tables, everything Cisco will deliver with this in video endpoint. Then we are having MX800 and MX700. This is also for the big meeting rooms. MX300, SX10 and XS20. So these all are the collaboration room endpoints. So if we are having a big meeting room, we can purchase this endpoint from Cisco and we can easily install in our infrastructure. After that, we can utilize this video endpoints for video conferencing. And these are the video phones. So if someone don't want to have a big meeting room, for example your managers and all, they want to keep a video conference phone in their desk. So for desk they can use this phone for audio purpose as well as for video purpose also. This is another DX series desk endpoints also. So this is the very beneficial also. If for example you want to use this video endpoint as a monitor for your laptop, that also you can do. And meanwhile, if you are having a small meeting, that also can be joined through this desk endpoints also. Software clients, as I mentioned, for software we are having Cisco Jabber and we are having Cisco WebEx also. So through these endpoints, Jabber, right now we are talking from WebEx. So see, all the people maybe in different places in the world, okay, they can able to hear me clearly through the soft clients. So these are the some IP wireless phones. So some customers is having a requirement, they want to travel, they want to keep a phone with them whenever they are traveling. Just take example of hospitals. So doctor is always moving from one operation theater to another, they are moving from their desk. So if they want to keep a physical phone with them, we are having the software client software phone capability also. But for the quality purpose and all, if they want to keep a wireless phone with them, then they can easily take this type of phone also. And audio conferencing, if right now previously we talked about all video conferencing endpoints, so we will install this video conferencing endpoints in each meeting room and we can achieve all type of conferencing. But if someone is having a requirement for audio conferencing, they can install this audio conferencing device also. So these are the different models we are having in collaboration for meeting rooms, for desk endpoints, for video endpoints, for voice endpoints, for software clients phones. So these are the new endpoints right now. We have already discussed about that. So this is the AS7800 and 8800 phones. So in 8800 we are having a different models. We are having a video phones. We are having a color touch screen phone. So there will be 8865, 8851, 8845 different models. And this is the feature. If you are if you check your iOS store right now, okay, in Cisco Jab in iOS, in Android, you will get a software client called a Cisco Jabber. So if you are having a Cisco Jabber in your mobile phone, so what you will get all this feature. You will get a presence. For example, your colleague is also having Cisco Jabber. So if he is free, okay, and you will get a green symbol. That means, as I mentioned in earlier slides, the presence server will give you the indication who is available, who is away from the desk, who is busy in the meeting. So that capability we can easily get through this Cisco Jabber client. Instant messaging, what you are doing in WhatsApp, that also we can achieve in our Cisco Jabber client. We can easily send messages. Chat room is there. So chat room, if you want to create your group chat room, that also can be possible. Contact search, if you are not having someone number in your mobile phone, you can easily search from the directory. So Cisco Jabber will allow you to search a contact from your active directory. So we will have an integration from your active directory to Cisco Jabber client. Application integration, you can do third party integration also with the Cisco Jabber. Secure communication is there. So at the end, everyone is asking whatever we are talking over the internet, is it secure? Yes, Cisco Jabber is 100% secure, because we are implementing a certificate based authentication, and we are all the communication is happening through the TLS protocol. So voice and video is there. So we can do the voice calls, we can do the video call from Cisco Jabber clients. And video conferencing is there. If you want to join a video conference meeting from your software client, that also can be possible. You can share the desktop. So Cisco Jabber client is not only for your mobile phones, it's for your desktop also, it's for the iPads also. So this Cisco Jabber client, anywhere you can install, either in desktop, laptops, and in your mobile phones for Android, iOS. So from that you can join the meeting, you can do the voice call, you can do the chat, you can make a chat rooms, and you can share your screen also. So like in WebEx, I am sharing my screen right now. Everyone is able to see my screen. So that is possible in Cisco Jabber also. So we have WebEx meeting integration also. Remote access means wherever you are traveling. Okay, so for example, your extension is 1001. So this 1001 is provided by your company. But when you are going out from your company, you should get a call on this number also. So that's why it's mentioned remote access. So whoever is traveling to anywhere, that Cisco Jabber will travel with him in his cell phone. So whoever calling in 1001, you will got 1001 call on your cell phone also. So wherever you are traveling, that call will come to your software client. Single sign-on is security-wise. If you want to log in, see in Cisco Jabber, we will get different types of feature like contact search, presence, voice, and all. So these are different servers. So if you want to get these services, you have to add your username and password. But if you are using single sign-on, you have to just put a one time your password. After that, you don't have to do authenticate again and again for other services. That is a single sign-on. Desktop control is there. As I mentioned, you will get your extension on your software client. File transfer is there. In Cisco Jabber, you can transfer the files. Schedule integration. So whatever meeting you are scheduling, that also can be populate to the Cisco Jabber client. In Cisco Jabber, you can see like you are checking your calendar whenever you are having meetings and all. So same thing you can check in Cisco Jabber also, all type of meetings and all. Voice messaging is there. So whatever we are getting in physical phone, that all capability we are getting in this software client also. So in our lectures, in our future courses, we will teach you how to configure Cisco Jabber in your infrastructure, how to register Cisco Jabber, how to make a calls from Cisco Jabber, and how to achieve all these features in Cisco Jabber. That will be in our courses. And Cisco Jabber is very powerful tool. Most of the companies nowadays using Cisco Jabber for a communication. So already we have discussed about this. Calling is there, phone calling, meetings. So this is just new slides for even the guys who is already working in a voice. If he is having a much experience in voice, so for him also this slide is very important, because right now what Cisco is doing, Cisco is done a acquisition of Broadsoft. So Broadsoft is a cloud based company, so who was providing a call center solution. So Cisco just have done an integration with them. So previously Cisco was having all this type of thing in on premises. Okay, so on premises business we were having all this feature. Now what Cisco want to do, Cisco want to provide all this feature to customer through cloud also. So if you check here in the slide, okay, if you have on premises solution, on premises means we are buying all type of this hardware, Cisco Business Edition, all this hardware. When you will buy, on the top of this hardware you will install your application. As I explained, call manager, you will install Unity connection, presence server. Once you install all this application, then after that you will able to register the phone, video endpoint. But now what we are having, Cisco is moving to cloud also. So whatever feature we are getting in our on-prem infrastructure, that all feature is available also. So right now they have already started with the US and Canada. So US and Canada, if you want to take a cloud services, you just has to register, put your phone in your company. That's it. You don't have to install any software. Nothing need to be installed. Your phone will register to cloud. So whatever feature we are giving in on premises, they can get all these features from the cloud also. But some of the companies like government organizations, the ministries, and foreign affairs, so Ministry of Interior, all these companies, they don't want to go to the cloud because of security reasons. But here we are having a on-premises solution also. So most of the companies right now, they are running this on-premises solution and using this IP telephony and video conferencing on their infrastructure. So as I explained, we are having this different type of solution. So on-premises solution, as I explained, we are having this business edition 7000. This is just a name, so this will be a one hardware. Cisco uses hardware. We are having a one server. So they just put the name 7000, 6000, and 4000. This is just the name of the bundle. While purchasing, you have to just keep in mind, okay, so if you check here the small business, if you have small business less than 100 users, so you have to buy this Cisco Business Edition 4000. So this is one server. So what you will do, once you buy a server from Cisco, you will install your call manager, your voicemail servers, and all application on that server, and after that you will register your phone. So if you have a less than 100 user, you will go with the Business Edition 4000. If customer is having a 250 plus users, less than 1000, so that time they will go with the Business Edition 6000. But same case, we have to install the virtual machine on that UCS servers. And if you are having more than 1000 customers for the enterprise level, then we have to go with Business Edition 7000. So all this is a on-premises solution. So if customer don't want to go for the cloud, they have to buy their own hardware, and on that hardware, our the engineers. So what you will learn in our courses, you will learn in our courses how to install this component on these servers. Okay, if you want to go to the pre-sales, so we will teach you how to order this thing, how to do the sizing for your company, okay, how many user you are having. Based on that criteria, in our courses you will learn how to order these type of devices from Cisco. Then second thing, the engineers will learn from our courses how to configure these type of devices, how to design your on-premises infrastructure, how to register your phones, how to provide different services. So all these things you will learn from our courses. After that, you will able to configure, design, and implement on-premises voice and video solutions. Okay, so we are having this CMS 1000 hardware for video conferencing, CMS 2000 hardware. We can easily put this CMS on virtual machines also based on the size of our server. So this is on-premises solution. The another solution is hosted solution. So nowadays, sorry, nowadays service provider, just take example of Etisalat, yeah, in Qatar, Orido. So what they are doing for customer, they are saying to customer, you don't have to buy any this business edition 4000 or 6000 or 7000, you don't have to buy that. What we will do, we will provide you the services. Okay, you just have to buy a IP phone, that's it. All the services you will get from the us, from Orido, yeah, from Etisalat, any of the service provider who is having the host collaboration. So these servers, what we were implementing in our on-premises, these servers, the same type of server, they will implement on their hosted cloud, and from there they will give us services to end users. So all the people who don't want to invest on these servers and all, they can take services from their local hosted service provider. And we are having cloud also, but cloud extension is not available in every country. So right now Cisco have just started on Canada and USA. So if someone is there, so what they can do, they don't have to go to their hosted collaboration service provider, they can directly take the services from the cloud. So far so good, right? So this one we have already discussed in our previous slide, how we are having business edition 7000, 6000, and we are having a hosted collaboration solution and a cloud based solution. So you have to keep in mind, in IP telephony now you are having a three type of deployment model. In our previous slide, on premises model, okay, on premises model, customer needs to buy everything, and most of the companies is buying on premises solution because they don't have to pay every month, every year for some subscription, and also they were buying this type of solution and they are implementing. Then as a partner, we are supporting them to implement these solutions and upgrade the solutions. And hosted solution, you don't have to buy any hardware. So this type of hardware will be purchased by your service provider. They will give you the services based on your requirement. Cloud is also there. So these are the collaboration solution model nowadays. Previously we were having only on premises, but now the technology is totally moving to the cloud. So Cisco is also concerning about the cloud solution. So now Cisco is providing a IP telephony and collaboration solution through clouds also. So these are the things in our session right now. Mainly what we will do, we will launch our features. As I mentioned in my previous slides, we are having a total three type of courses based on based on the market requirement. The first course is Cisco Certified Network Associate. Second is Cisco Certified Network Professional, and Cisco Certified Internet Network Expert. So this is Cisco design courses. But what we will do, we will design our own courses also, because I can understand in the market we are having a different type of requirements. So if you come to this slide, what we will do, we will launch our course. Cisco Meeting Server is also a very big component, and it's responsible for video conferencing. So we will not go on that way. What we will do, we will launch our own IT expert training courses. On that courses, if you are already expert in unified communication and you want to learn a new technology, so for you we will design one course that will only cover a video conferencing part. And some courses who is going to start their career in voice, so for them we will launch a courses from a scratch, so they will able to understand how to register the phones, how to register the video endpoint, how you are going to call from one place to another place. So these are the different types of courses will be available on our site. So this is all what I was planning to talk in today's session. If anyone is having any questions. Yes, we will mention the course's duration. So if you go with the Cisco perspective, the CCNA collaboration course will take 45 days, and CCNP collaboration course will take 3 months, and CCI course will take 8 months. But as I mentioned, these courses is Cisco design courses, okay. But what we will do, we will design our own IT expert training courses also. So on that courses, some of the courses will be 4 weeks, 5 weeks, but that will be full advanced crash courses. Like most of the people is already working in a IP telephony. They want to just understand, and they just want to go with the new technology. As I mentioned, Cisco Meeting Server, and we are having now cloud-based solution, WebEx team. WebEx before the name was Spark, now that is WebEx. So most of the people who is already working in IP telephony, then they were not able to they are not able to configure this new type of technology. Yes, we will take classes on a weekends. So in weekend we will take the classes in Friday and Saturday. So our most of the courses will have 4 hour session in a weekend, Friday and Saturday. Any other questions? Kaza, you are having any questions? You can ask me. I can clear your questions if you have any question. Ma'am, you are having any questions? Okay, so this is all. So very soon we will have all the courses available in IT Expert Training Portal. So you can take all type of queries from our IT Expert Training. This is all what I was planning to talk in today's session. So thank you so much for joining this webinar. Hope we will see you in our next sessions. Thank you so much.